Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking to refresh your space without breaking the bank? Today let's talk about using adhesive wallpaper to renew your old furniture. First up, let's unbox the adhesive wallpaper I found on Amazon right off the bat, and I love the vibrant pattern and color texture. It's super easy to apply, and the best part, no messy glue required, just peel and stick it. So guys, now let's talk about how to use this wallpaper on your old furniture. Whether it's a tired dresser or boring bookshelf, adhesive wallpaper can transform it in just a few steps. Start by cleaning the surface of your furniture to ensure the wallpaper adheres well. Next, measure the area you want to cover. Cut the wallpaper to size, leaving a little extra or adjustment. When you are ready to peel off the backing and carefully stick it onto the surface, smooth out any bubbles with a credit card on your hand for a flawless finish. If you are feeling creative, mix and match different pattern for a unique look. This is a fantastic way to personalize your furniture and make it stand out. And here a pro tip: if you ever want to change thing up again, adhesive wallpaper is removable. Just peel it off without damaging your furniture underneath. So renewing old furniture with adhesive wallpaper is not only budget friendly but also fun and creative. So why wait? Grab some wallpaper from Amazon today and start your transform journey. You will amazed at how a little change can make such a big impact. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. I hope you enjoy this video guys. Thank you for watching my video. I truly appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time and tune in. Your support means the world to me. Every view, like and comment is not just a number, it's a reminder that I am connecting with really people who share my patience. It motivates me to keep creating content that inspire, entertain and inform. I strive to bringing you valuable insight and engaging stories, and your feedback is invaluable in shaping the journey. So please keep sharing your thought, what you love and what you want to see more of, and even what could be better. Your input help me grow as a creator. Remember, this community is built on interactions. I want to hear from you. Let's continue this conversation in the comment or thought messages, and your engagement fuel my creativity and help me understand what resonate with you. As we move forward, I promise to keep delivering the best content I can, whether it's tips, tutorial or just some fun moment. I am here for you. So thank you for once again for being part of my journey. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.